So to bleach this hair, guys, I'm using this True Lights Happy Blue powder bleach. Yeah, and then I'm using this True Zone peroxide, cream peroxide. This is a 40 volume developer, so it works pretty very. So what works? So it lifts very fast. I have to work faster. So I'm gonna mix it all in this bowl so that when I start, I don't have to mix anymore. Yeah. So this is the hair I'm dyeing today. It's a 16-inch body wave hair. This hair is very silky, very soft, and yeah, it's jet black. So we're gonna change this up to something new. And so I've mixed this up. This is the consistency that I'm going for this. Okay, it's fine. I'm going to section this hair in 4 parts just so it's easier for me to manipulate, seeing as it's already a wig. Yeah. I'm washing the hair now, guys, and I'm using this copper shampoo, okay, to take away every brassiness from the bleach so it doesn't look too orangey. That's what that does. And then, yeah, one thing I did was I went ahead to wash off the back first, the bleach off the back, and then I let the top bit process longer because, you know, it looked like that was processed, that was already processed, and the top was not ready, okay, and I didn't want to take any chances. It's the first time I'm trying this company, so I want to see how this hair holds up, you know, so not taking any chances with leaving it all to process at the same time and then damage the hair, you know what I mean? So yeah, so this is a hair mask from Garnier. I use this on my own natural hair and I swear by it, it's amazing. This leaves your hair really soft and, you know, just looking very bouncy and beautiful. So I'm going to use this as a deep conditioner, okay, for this hair, and just let it sit for a bit. Apply generously to the hair. smells amazing. Guys, so this is what we have after the bleaching, and yeah, it's almost perfect. Not exactly perfect. We still have some dark streaks, but I'm mostly glad I still have my dark roots there, so that's fine. So I'm using this color from L'Oreal. This is the color Vista Paint. Looks like that. Okay, and this is the shade Cherry Red. I've got 2 of those that I'll be using. So I mix the contents into this smooth paste. That's the color we have. I'm going to start applying this now. This is finished look, guys. Look at that color. I love it. I love this color. The hair took so well to the color, and that is very vibrant. You still got streaks of black there, which is fine. And the hair held up. There was no more breakage at all. Like, this is very good hair. So I'm going to go ahead now and style this hair. It's already air dried, so we're done, and this is like. Thank you. That's all for this video, guys. Don't forget to leave me a thumbs up, like this video, give me a comment, and subscribe as well, guys. Thank you for watching. Stay blessed. Bye.